Hey guys, I'm Wilson.
And I'm Kelly.
And we are on the Mewve. It's nice to be back out. We hadn't done anything in a while. So we decided to come up to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're camping over in Cherokee, and I came over to Bryson City because it's a short distance away. Checking some things out. We are very disappointed though with something.
Yep.
This is a great park, but we're not happy about this parking pass thing.
Yep.
You know, it's inconvenient. And as far as I know, this park was never supposed to charge any kind of admission fee, and the Park Service is really trying to get away with one here, I think. So just not a great thing as far as I'm concerned. I know it's just $5, but at the same time, this is the people's resource for the eastern part of the United States. This is the most visited national park in the entire country. Good back there?
Yes. Just start right out, just straight up the hill.
That was so fun in here.
Shut up, girl.
Where are we going?
Mewve Falls, 0.2 miles. Uh-oh, Mama's already hold on. Wow,
Hey, do you want
we
to
didn't make it very far.
Dad, look, I want to show my dance. Hiking, this, then,
And her shark shoes.
oh yeah.
Yeah, today's hiking is brought to you by Shark Shoes.
Yeah.
These can be found on Amazon. We'll put a link down below.
And fuzzy socks.
The one that we walked straight up.
Oh yeah, the cinder cone.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what he's talking about.
Oh, yeah.
We're sitting here debating. You know, hiking is just different everywhere you go, right? And so we were out at Craters of the Moon National Park during the summer, last summer. And that cinder cone was like straight up. And then even out in Theodore Roosevelt National Park, you know, there were some little hills that just went kind of straight up. Not terrible, but here in the Smokies, like, it's just different. Out west, it seems to be more gradual, and then you have these really steep inclines in a lot of places in the Smokies. Just be aware of that when you hike here.
It's 0.3 miles, but it's quite up the hill.
Yeah, 0.3 miles straight up.
Yeah.
So if you come from the parking lot directly to Mewve Falls, then you'll cross the bridge, and then you'll come to a little intersection. You'll take a right if you want to go see the other waterfalls, and it's a little shorter loop. Just look for the signs. It's well marked, and it's a great trail. They've done a lot of work up here to improve the trail. It is downhill once you hit after the falls, and the trail splits So nice little hike here. All right, so we took the little short trail up. We went to Mewve Falls and then took a right and then came down to the other two falls, Tom's Creek Falls.
And Indian Creek Falls.
Yeah, and Indian Creek Falls. So really quickly, I mean, basically, what is it, a little over a mile?
Yeah.
Mile and a half.
2 miles total all around.
Yeah.
But you can get 3 waterfalls and a pretty easy trail, so.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
So inside the park here too, it's a really nice level trail. You know, once you're on the, it's almost like a road basically.
Yeah. You can ride bikes on it. I'm pretty sure it's a bike trail as well. You can do that. Up the Mewve is the part that's a little more challenging, more on the moderate level, but the other part is totally easy. Road type gravel on there, very easy to walk to the other 2 falls.
A lot of fishing access too, so we ran into a lot of fishermen and watched them a little bit here and there, and that was fun. Nice little easy trail.
Right here at Deep Creek.